Welcome back to NDAI Tips. If you are struggling with the fact that Google ImageFX, Whisk, creates beautiful images but lacks an API, has no auto mode, requires manual step-by-step operation, which is very time-consuming, and especially the pain point when generating images, inconsistent characters, then this video is for you. Today, I will share for free with the NDAI Tips community a tool I created, Whisk Image Gen. Let's see what it can do. I will leave the download link in the description of this video. You can click to download and use it for free. This tool runs directly on Windows computers. After downloading, you will receive an installation file like this. Just keep clicking Next and Next to install as usual. After installation is complete, open the tool. You need to activate it to use it. Please click the Copy Device ID button and visit my Facebook. I left the link in the video description. Send me the code needed to activate the Whisk Image Gen tool, and I will activate it and send you the key, for free. Once you have the key, paste it in and press the Activate button to enable the tool. Okay, and congratulations! The tool has been activated to the Pro version. The tool supports 2 languages, English and Vietnamese, which you can select here. You can also visit my YouTube channel to watch videos about the tool via the tutorial video button. This is the tutorial video for the ElevenLabs voice generation tool, which you might need. The tool supports 2 interfaces, which can be switched here. You can also click the Other Apps button to download other tools developed by me. For the tool to run, we need to install an application called Super-Get-Cookie to get the Google account cookie. This helps the tool communicate with the ImageFX server. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Super-Get-Cookie, or go directly to the link I left in the video description to install Super-Get-Cookie, an app I developed for the browser. Okay, after installing, you need to turn it on and access the website currently shown on the screen, or the link I left in the video description. Next, log into the website using your Google account. Continue clicking on the Super-Get-Cookie app you installed. Click the Copy Cookie JSON button to get the cookie. Then go back to the tool. Paste that entire cookie into the cookie JSON box and press the Check and Save button.
Okay, so now you can use the tool to generate images. Here, it clearly displays the remaining validity time of the cookie that Google allows for image generation. If time runs out, please go back to the labs.google/fx page. Click the Copy Cookie JSON button on the Super-Get-Cookie app to get the cookie again. Enter it into the tool and continue using it. We can choose the path for the image save folder here. For example, here, I will choose the voice folder on the desktop. So basically, the tool is ready to work. But to give a more specific example, I will try to generate images for a family drama story. To create image generation prompts and split scenes for this story, I will use the application I developed and guided in the previous video. You can review the user guide in this video. You can use this app via the link in the description of this video. After entering the link, you need to have the Google Gemini API to use it. Click the Get Key button here to get the API, then copy your API. If you don't have an API yet, create one first, then copy and go back to the app. Paste the API in and press the Save button. Next, I proceed to divide the story into chapters. I enter the app to split scenes and create image prompts or video prompts for each scene. You can choose the style for the image and image size here. Select the Gemini AI model to use. For the free API version, you can use the 3 models in the bottom row. For the 2 models in the top row, you need a paid API to use them. Okay, now I will copy this entire story into the app to split scenes and create image generation prompts or video prompts for each scene. I will split this whole story into 10 chapters of equivalent length. Then press the Split Now button. Okay, so the app has evenly divided the entire story into 10 chapters of equivalent length and ends each chapter with a period to create a pause point. This is to ensure that the text, when read by AI voice, will have appropriate pauses and not be abruptly interrupted, causing a loss of emotion for the listener. Next, I will press the Auto Generate Definition button to create character definitions. After returning the definition results for 4 characters in the story, we continue to the step of creating image generation prompts. You can press the Motion Prompts button if you want to create a motion video for that image after generating it. Select the Max 3 Characters Whisk button to create image generation prompts on Whisk.
Here, I am not creating motion videos for images, so I will not select the Motion Prompts button. If you select motion prompts, you can check the prompts with background music in the video prompts. Or if you don't want it, uncheck it, and specify the spoken language in the prompt to create a video with speech in your desired language. Okay, setup is done. Now I press Generate Prompts to create prompts. Okay, and just like that, the app has finished creating 10 image generation prompts for me as requested. You can press the Regenerate Prompts button here, or press Generate Images here. But my goal is to create consistent character images, so I will not generate images here. I will download all the .txt files of chapter script and image generation prompt. Next, I will copy all the character definitions of the 4 characters in the story into the image generation tool to create images for each character, using them as reference images. For reference images, I will choose a 9:16 ratio, and the number of generated images is 2. Press the Generate Image button, and just like that, the tool has created the first character image and automatically downloaded it to the computer. If I'm not satisfied with any image, I can click the Delete button to remove it, because I only need to choose one character image as a reference. Now I will copy the character's name to set it for the reference image. This name is very important, because when sending the prompt and reference image to generate an image, the tool will read the prompt. If the prompt contains the character's name in the reference image, it will automatically take that image and send it along with the prompt to produce a consistent character. After having the reference character images, now I will create 10 images to illustrate this story. I will choose the size 16:9 and generate 3 images for one prompt. Drag all reference images into the tool. The tool will automatically fill in the character's name exactly as the reference image name I set earlier. Since these are illustrations for the story, the background is not a critical factor, so I don't need to drag background images or style images here, because the prompt created by the app already describes the background according to the story. Okay, now I will copy all 10 image generation prompts created by the app. Paste all 10 prompts here and press the Start Generating button. The tool will automatically send the image generation prompts along with the reference images and characters in the prompts one by one to generate images. The Whisk platform currently can only generate images from 3 reference images, so it is mandatory that you click the Max 3 Characters button to create a prompt with only 3 main characters appearing in the prompt. Secondary characters are not important. AI will draw them itself without needing reference images. In the next video, I will guide and share another tool that I created but haven't had time to make a sharing video for. If you are interested, please subscribe to the channel to get notified when I release the tool in the next video. The next tool I share can send up to 6 reference images, and the image quality will be much better than the Whisk platform. Okay, so the image for the first chapter of the story is done. Let's check the character consistency. Pretty alike, right? Okay, the characters look very similar to the reference images, don't they? And so the tool has automatically sent all image generation prompts along with reference images to generate images, and automatically downloaded all generated images to the exact folder I set up here, completely automatically. The tool has completed the task of creating consistent character images according to the reference images very well. If you want to use this tool, please click on the link in the description of this video to download and use it for free. And don't forget to give me a like button or leave a comment below this video and subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified when I release a video guide for a new tool. Now, to the audio voice creation part. Using tools ElevenLabs Pro to create a voice that matches the images I just created. Switch to tools ElevenLabs Pro. I will choose the download folder path for the tool to match the folder containing the images. Paste the ElevenLabs API into the tools and press Check API key. Thus, with 4 free API keys, I have 40,000 credits to use ElevenLabs. Copy all 10 chapters of the story into the tool to create voice. Select Voice ID and Model to create voice. Press the Run Voice Generation button and wait for the tool to send all chapters of the story to create voice. The yellow text status means the tool is working, and the text is queued to be sent. If the text turns green, it means the voice has been created successfully. Okay, I ran it, and the tool reported successful completion of the voice creation process for 10 chapters of the story. I can click here to view the completion notification board. Click the Download button here to download all 10 voice files of this story to your computer. In just a split second, 10 voice files have been downloaded to the exact folder I set up.
The air in Savannah hangs thick and heavy in March, the kind of wet heat that clings to your skin like a second soul. From my chair on the screened-in porch, Dear Henry, I write, the pen feeling like an extension of my...
You can also click the Merge Downloaded Files button here. This is to download a single merged file containing the entire content of the 10 individual files downloaded earlier. They are merged into a single file. You can choose the pause time between merged files. Here, I don't choose a pause time between merged files, so I won't check it. Press the Merge Downloaded Files button right here. Okay, so I have downloaded a merged file with a length equal to the total length of the 10 individual files I downloaded earlier. Now, I will put all these individual voice files, along with all the images created by the tool, into CapCut to assemble a complete video segment where images and voice audio match. The thing to do is to arrange them correctly in order of image and sound, from 1 to 10. Very simple and fast. Just drag the length of the image to match the length of the sound. Wherever the audio reads, the image will run there to illustrate the story. Okay, so I have just shared and guided you on how to use the tool to create images with consistent characters based on reference images. The tool works completely automatically and quickly. You don't need to manipulate too much. The video ends here. I hope this auto whisk tool will become a powerful assistant, helping you save hours every day and create the highest quality videos. Oh, I forgot. As I revealed in the middle of the video, I will soon release another super tool supporting up to 6 reference images simultaneously, with significantly higher quality than Whisk. I am very curious to know which style you prefer. A fast, compact, quick, free tool like this auto whisk, or a more specialized, heavy-duty tool, even if the installation might be a bit more complex. Please leave your opinion, fast and compact team or deep dive team, in the comments section, so I know which way to prioritize development and share with you soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and ring the bell to be the first to own the new tool. Goodbye, and see you again.